Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can buy on Amazon with Afterpay. So first step you need to do is to open Afterpay. So let me open Afterpay first and click on here buy now pay later with Afterpay. So select your country. So let's suppose I am in the US. So select that. It's all in the app. So let's search for the Amazon here. Okay, so let's suppose this one, or you can simply search here. Let me search how to pay on Amazon with Afterpay. Okay, and you need to open this one, buy now pay later at Amazon. And this is a process how you can use Afterpay at Amazon. First you need to download the Afterpay app and search for Amazon. Once you search for Amazon, you need to open the Amazon store and start shopping. And in the third step, you need to check out with Afterpay and choose how to pay. So this is the process that you need to follow to buy on Amazon with Afterpay. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.